If you are watching this, the end has begun. Combat chain, declassified brief. Your units fall into 7 classes: riflemen, combat engineers, tanks, gunships, transports, artillery, and command vehicles. Riflemen. Riflemen are your elite ground forces, fast and deadly, but vulnerable to enemy armor. Guide them to cover or have them garrison a building to increase their battle effectiveness. Riflemen can also secure and upgrade strategic points, which are critical to controlling the battle space. When promoted, riflemen can also use stealth. Combat engineers. Combat engineers are your heavy weapons specialists. Enemy armor is no match for their missiles, but they are slow and vulnerable in the open. Protect them with cover and move them in transports. Combat engineers' technical skills make them fast and efficient at upgrading strategic points. When promoted, engineers are able to lay down minefields and provide combat support to ally units. Tanks. Tanks provide the heavy armor and firepower that you will need in battle. They have no match on the ground, but are easy prey to enemy gunships. Gunships. Gunships are attack helicopters. Perfect for fast recon or close air support. They are quick and powerful, especially against tanks, but are also fragile. Transports. Transports not only move troops quickly, they are equipped with anti-aircraft guns to take down enemy gunships, but their light armor is vulnerable to tank rounds. Artillery. Nothing can beat the power and range of artillery. Ground units and structures do not stand a chance against artillery shells. However, their slow speed makes them vulnerable if spotted by an enemy. Command vehicles. Your mobile frontline command base. These offer access to intel, combat drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, and SITREP, an aerial view of the battlefield where you can plan and implement strategy. Commands can be issued to all your units from the SITREP view. Command your units wisely, play to their strengths, and defend their weaknesses, and you may have a chance at winning this war.